I'm Beckham Paul from AT1171C.
Hello, my name is Darwish Ifahadi bin Muhammad Sharif Daus. You can call me Richie. It's nice to meet you, and I am from AT1171C.
Hello, my name is Francisco Felix, but you can call me friend, and I'm from program AT1171C. Question 1A. First of all, take out all the information given from the question. From the question, cash price was 325,000, down payment was 10% from the cash price, the periodic interest rate was 0.032 over 12, and the term of payment was 420 months. First step you need to do is find the balance after 10% was deducted from the cash price. After you got the balance, insert all the information including the balance that you got into the present value formula. After that, solve the question until you get the total monthly payment that equal to RM 1158 and 59 cents.
For question B, it is said that we have to calculate the interest charge. Since the question is about interest, the formula being used is I equals Rn minus A, R being regular payment, N being number of payments, and A being the present value of annuity. Since we already have the information, we can substitute it into the equation. R, which we got for question 1, is 1,158 and 59 cents. N is 420 and A is 292,500. After substituting the information into the equation and calculating the equation, your answer should be 194,107 ringgit and 80 cents. For question 1C, it is said that if the 5 installments were missing, how much should Kevin pay in the 6th month to settle the outstanding arrears? For this question, I used the future value annuity formula to solve this question because we are going to be paying in the future because he had missed the previous payments and so he has to pay for the future. The substitution of the information into the equation is taken from previous questions except for n. N is 6 over 12 instead of 35 years because it is said in the question that it wants to know the sum of 6 months. After substituting all the information into the equation, the answer should be 6,998 ringgit and 5 cents. In question 1D, Kevin plans to pay off the remaining balance of the loan in one lump after making payments for 10 years. The formula used for question 1D is the future value of annuity. It is used because Kevin wants to pay the sum of future values. For the substitution of the information into the equation, it's fairly similar to the rest of the questions. However, and again is different because Kevin had already paid 10 years in sequence. However, he wants to pay the sum of the rest of the years, which is 25, which is why the n is 12 times 25 instead of 12 times 35. After the substitution of information and calculating the equation, the answer should be 531,433 ringgit and 28 cents.
Okay, question number 2. Calculate the single equivalent discount that is equivalent to the series of the discount given. Okay, from the question, we need to list down the information. We got the trade discount and there is 3 of trade discount. Trade discount 1, 12%, trade discount 2, 10%, and trade discount 3, 2%. For this equation, we need to change it to from percent to decimal. Step 1, use this formula and substitute the information given into the formula. D equals to 1 minus, in a bracket, 1 minus 0.12, another bracket, 1 minus 0.1, another bracket, and 1 minus 0.02 is equal to 1 minus, in a bracket, 0.88, another bracket, 0.9, and 0.92. You can leave it the answer in decimal, or you can change it to percentage. So you will got 0.2238, and if you change it to percentage, you need to times it with 100, and it will turn to 22.38%. Question 2b. The question asks us to find the amount of trade discount received. We list down the squash racket, squash balls, and wristband amount and value of the list price. To find the new list price, you will need to sum up the value of the list price. Okay, after you got the amount, which means 14,480 ringgit, you need to use this formula to find the trade discount amount received. Okay, from the information given, just substitute the amount, list price, and discount trade into the formula. We already have the discount trade value, which is at the question A, so we just need to substitute it in the formula. Okay, that's how you do this question, and the answer is 33,240 ringgit 62 cents.
Question 2c. First of all, take out all the information from the question. From 22 May 2022 until 1 June 2022 is equal to 10 days. Then, choose the discount term within 10 days. The discount term within 10 days is 10%. After that, to find the total list price, 130.65 multiply with 50 plus 10.50 multiply with 500 plus 20.75 multiply with 130. And that way you will get the total list price. After you got the total list price, substitute it to the net payment formula, then solve it. After you solve it, the final answer will be 10,114 and 92 cents. Question 2d. To find the amount of cash discount received if the payment was settled on the last day of the discount period. First of all, choose the term of discount for the last day of the discount period. To find the net price, 130.65 multiply with 50 plus 10.50 multiply with 500 plus 20.75 multiply with 130. And you will get the answer 14,480. To find the cash discount, substitute the net price into the cash discount formula, then solve it. And at the end, you will get the answer 0% cash discount. It is because there's no cash discount that given at the end of the last day of the discount period.